Today I will show you how to connect Claude to Gmail, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Claude account. Now from there we're going to go to the bottom of the page and go to settings. On the settings in the search bar we're going to type connectors, or we can find connectors on the left side panel under customize. Now here you can see that there's a Gmail link here, connector here, and you're gonna click on it. You're gonna go to you're gonna authenticate yourself, sign in, and then continue. Now we're gonna give the permissions here, and we're gonna click on continue. And just like that, you can see connected to Gmail at the bottom. And when we go back to these are the permissions that we've allowed Gmail to access. Now when we go back to connectors, you can see Gmail has been connected with a checkmark status. Now that's how to connect Claude with Gmail. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I will see you in the next one.